I'm going to show you how to make a game pass in Roblox using the latest version. It's super easy and works on phones, tablets, and computers. So no matter what you're using, you can follow along. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So guys, as you can see, I have already created many game passes in Please Donate. Today, you'll also learn how to create one. First, let's close this and go to Google. Now, guys, search for Roblox. The first link that appears, click on it. Now you've reached the Roblox homepage. Find and click on the Create tab. On the Create Hub page, there will be a menu on the left side. From there, go to the Creations tab. Now, the Experiences tab will already be selected by default, but you need to select the tab with your username. Next, from the left side menu again, find the Monetization tab. Expand it and go to the Passes tab. On the Passes page, click on the Create a Pass button. The Change button lets you upload a custom image for your Game Pass, replacing the default one. Name and description allow you to define the title and details of the Game Pass to inform and attract players. Scroll down and click on Create Pass. Now your pass is created, but it's not on sale yet. As you can see, the previously created passes are already enabled for sale, but the one you just created is off sale. Simply click on the pass. On the left side, click on Sales. Now toggle Item for Sale on. Item for Sale enables you to list the Game Pass for purchase by other players. Once enabled, you can set a Robux price, allowing users to buy the pass and support your game. Set the price as you wish. I'm setting it to 1,000. Remember, Roblox takes a small tax. Then click Save Changes. Now your Game Pass is created and enabled for sale. Now go back to Google, search Roblox again, and open the first link. Go to Please Donate and click on Play. Now find an empty booth. Hold down the E key on your keyboard. As you can see, the last pass you created, priced at 1,000 Robux, is now visible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.